class 4. But if you're going to start our lesson, children, tell me, do you look at yourself in the mirror? Yes, we all do. We all look at ourselves in the mirror. When we look in the mirror and look at our face, we find forehead, eyes, nose, eyebrows, cheeks, lips, and chin. These are called facial features. So today we are going to read about one of our features, that is nose. This is the poem Noses, written by Ellen Fisher. Ellen Fisher was an American poet, writer and a playwright. Let's see what she writes in this poem. This poem has 3 stanzas. So let's read the first stanza of the poem. Let's read the first stanza of the poem, Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows. Stuck right out where all of it shows. With 2 little holes where the breathing goes. Children, in this stanza, the poetess says that whenever she looks in the mirror and she looks at her face and she finds a nose, she finds her nose very funny. Funny means difficult to explain or understand, or something that makes us laugh. So she finds her nose very funny because of the way it grows. Because her nose is coming out of her face. Her nose can be completely seen with 2 holes in it. These holes are called nostrils, which we use to breathe. Breathing means take in air to our lungs and give it out too. Let's read the second stanza now. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair. And between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. In this stanza also, she says when she looks in the mirror and looks at her face, she finds her nose in between the end of the chin. Where is the end of the chin? This is the end of the chin and this is the start of her hair. It is also called a hairline. So she finds the nose between hairline and end of the chin. And she also says that the nose takes much place of her face. So she says that the nose is taking much place of her face and also sticking like a handle there. You know very well what is handle. Children, here the poetess compares her nose to a handle. Compares with a handle. Compares means she is using a handle as an example to express that her nose is similar to a handle or her nose looks like a handle. Let me show you for an example the handle. It's a mug and it is its handle. You can easily see that how the handle is coming out of the surface. Suppose this is your face and see how the nose is coming out of the face. So, poetess says that her nose also sticks like a handle on the face. Let's read the third stanza of the poem. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. In this stanza, the poetess is telling a reader or listener. It means she is telling you because you are reading here or maybe you are listening. So the poetess is telling you that if you want to giggle, giggle means laughing but not openly or loudly. Laughing a little in a silly way like this. So The poetess is saying that if you want to giggle or laugh anytime and you don't have anything to laugh at or have fun on it, so what you have to do is you just need to look at yourself in the mirror and look at your nose. You will find your nose very funny thing because it is sticking like a handle on your face because it is growing out of your face. So your nose looks like a handle and you will giggle at it. But remember, giggling is very bad habit. Children, we should never giggle at others or at any of our features because we should be always thankful to God and be happy in what we have. So, I hope you all understood the poem. Children, we'll meet in our next class. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Stay home.